life is moving way too fast. Slow down. Do you need decompression? That's an easy question. So let's leave the stressing for a little reconnection. We can step on the brakes to rest and escape where the weather is great and some adventure awaits. So won't you make the dash, head to where the waves will crash and stay relaxed. The stress is fading fast, staring at the sea, charging up your battery, moving at a slower pace, taking back your sanity. The sun is shining on the Sun Island. Do some reclining, yeah I see you smiling. Aren't you glad you had the nerve to go and book the ticket? Now you're here in paradise and you look terrific. Put your feet up and just relax. Come on, you gotta let it go. Your life's been moving way too fast. Slow down.